Hello everyone, let's start with another set of 5 questions, part 3 of CSAT 2020 solutions. Right, here we'll be discussing the next 5 questions. Right, so let's start. Okay, so this question belongs to data sufficiency again, DS. Right, okay. Two statements S1 and S2 are given below, followed by a question. Question says, first statement says n is a prime number. Second statement says n leaves a remainder of 1 when it is divided by 4. Okay. Question, if n is a unique natural number between 10 and 20. N is a natural number between 10 and 20. So first of all, the first statement says n is a prime number. So 11, 13, 17 and 19. Okay. So prime numbers between 10 and 20. So 11, 13, 17 and 19. There are 4 prime numbers between 10 and 20. Second statement says n leaves a remainder 1 when it is divided by 4. So 11 leaves a remainder 1 when it is divided by 4? No. 13 leaves a remainder 1 when it is divided by 4? Yes. 17 leaves a remainder 1 when it is divided by 4? Yes. 19 leaves a remainder 1 when it is divided by 4? No. Right. So there are two numbers, 13 and 17. Fine. Question says, if n is a unique natural number. If n is a unique natural number, but here 13 and 17 we are getting two natural numbers, right? So n is not unique. So what is n? N can't be decided. Okay, n can be 13 or n can be 17 also, right? So both the statements together are not sufficient to answer this question. S1 and S2 together are not sufficient to answer this question. D option is the right one. This question belongs to data sufficiency, and the ideal solving time for this question is around 30-40 seconds, right? In fact, I should say 1 minute, because in this question reading time should be more, I guess, and processing time should be more, right? So ideal solving time for this question is 1 minute, not more than that. No, more than 1 minute is not required at all for this question, right everybody? So S1 and S2 together are not sufficient to answer this question, right? All right. So now let's talk about another question. Okay, again, the next question again belongs to data sufficiency, right? Question says two statements S1 and S2 are given below with regard to two numbers followed by a question. Their product is 21. So 1 into 21 is 21, right? 7 into 3 is 21, right? How I'm doing it? So I'm just writing the factors of 21. 1, 3, 7, 21. Right? So 1 into 7 is 21, 7 into 3 is 21, right? So this is one pair where the product is 21, and this is another pair where the product is 21, right? And question says their sum is 10. Okay, their sum is 10. So 7 plus 3, right? So 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is also, I mean 7 plus 3 is 10, right? Okay. So what are the two numbers? Okay, which one of the following is the correct with respect to above statements and the questions? S1 alone is sufficient to answer the question? No. S2 alone? No. S1 and S2 together are sufficient to answer the question, but neither S1 alone nor S2 alone is sufficient to answer this question. S1 and S2 together are sufficient to answer this question. The correct answer is C, right? This question belongs to data sufficiency, and I guess the ideal solving time for this question is around 40 to 50 seconds, right? Not more than that. Okay, everyone, fine. Their sum is 10. I mean, both the statements are required, right? Here actually we can have one more pairs. I mean, -1 into -21 again is giving 21. -7 into -3 is also giving you 21, right? So negative integers can also be considered, because nothing can be said about the numbers, right? The number are positive numbers, the numbers are negative number. So this pair can also be considered. But in the second statement, when they are saying their sum is 10, their sum is plus 10, actually they are saying, right? So obviously you have to consider the positive pairs only, right? Okay, fine everyone. So here the answer is C. Both the statements together are sufficient to answer this question, right? Now let's talk about next question. Okay. In the sum, this. For which digit does the symbol stand? Okay, I'm just putting it as a dot. So dot, 1 dot, 5 dot, dot dot, dot 1, just added. So 1 double dot is the answer, right? Okay, fine. So everybody, here 4 times dot plus 1 is giving you dot as unit digit, right? I repeat, 4 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1 is giving you dot as unit digit, right? So check it for 2. Just check it, like go through all the options. So 2 into 4 plus 1 is giving you 2 as unit digit. No, it's giving you 9 as unit digit. Not correct. So 3 into 4 plus 1, right? So 3 into 4 plus 1. So 3 into 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 3. So it is giving you 3 as unit digit. Yes. So 3 is the right answer. That's it. So dot stands for 3. Right. Now let's check for all the, for everything. So 5, 3, 3, 3, 3, 1. Right. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1. So 3 into 4, 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13, 3. And 1 goes carry. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 5, 7, 7, 6, 13. So this is 133, right? So here, this is the correct answer, right? Okay, so the given symbol stands for 3, right? This is the question of, you can say, basic numeracy, right? This is the question of basic numeracy, and ideal solving time for this question is maximum 1 minute, not more than that. When you are cross verifying it also, you can take maximum 1 minute, not more than that, right? Okay, fine. Now let's talk about another question. In fact, here if you are just checking the option, the first option you will get around in 10-15 seconds only, right? But when you are cross verifying it, it will take max to max 1 minute, not more than that. In fact, 15-20 seconds are sufficient to answer this question if you have a good calculation skills, right? Okay, fine. Now let's talk about the another question. Okay. If you have two straight sticks of length 7.5 feet and 3.25 feet, what is the minimum length can you measure? Okay, fine. See everyone, this question belongs to the puzzle, I guess the reasoning, right? Reasoning is general mental ability, right? Let me solve this question for you. Suppose that question is saying we have two sticks of, the one stick is of 7.5 feet. Okay, and another stick of 3.25 feet, right? So let's say this is 3.25 feet, right? Okay, so everybody, we can just put one stick to adjacent to another, and we can just have a mark of 3.25 over it, right? Okay, fine. So now again, we are just putting this stick here, and we can again have a mark of 3.25, right? So this is again a mark of 3.25. So this is a mark of 3.25. This is again a mark of 3.25. So total we have 6.5, right? And now we are left with 1 foot, right? So 1 foot, right? So this is the mark of 1 foot. Okay, everyone, this is the mark of 1 foot, right? So now, if we have a 1 foot mark, see everybody, if we have a 1 foot mark, right? Let's say here we have a 1 foot mark like this, right? And one stick we have a length of 3.25, right? So in this 3.25 stick, we can have this 1 foot mark, and again we can slide this stick here downward. Then again we can, let's say like this, again we have, let's say we are sliding this stick downward like this. So here we have a mark of 1 foot already. Here again we have a mark of 1 foot. Now again we are sliding this stick downward. Right. So here we have a mark of 1 foot, here we have a mark of 1 foot, and here again we have a mark of 1 foot. So we are left with 0.25 here, right? So this is 1, this is 1, and this is 1, and this is 0.25. Right, everyone? Okay. So I guess the maximum length that we can measure is 0.25 foot. Right? Okay. So sorry, not the maximum, I'm sorry. The minimum length that we can measure from this is 0.25 foot. Right, everybody? Fine. This question is from puzzle, and this question will be taking I guess around 1 minute of your, if you can think of, right? Else this question, I think this question should be left during the examination, because this question is a bit controversial question during, I mean, once you are like, when you are going to solve this question, you may get the correct answer can be 1 foot also, like till here also you can stop, right? But after that, if you can think of, you may reach to this level also, right? So 0.25 is the right answer, I guess. But yes, during the examination, I guess this question should not be attempted. This question should be left off, right? If you're not that much confident on yourself, right? Better you should leave this question if you're not that much confident on yourself. Okay. Else, if you are confident enough, so you should go through it, and you like the correct answer is 0.25 feet. Fine. Okay. So now everyone, let's talk about the another question. Okay. All right. Next question says a simple mathematical operation in each of the following in each of the sequence 14, 18, 20, 24, 30, 32 results in a sequence with respect to prime numbers. Okay, fine. See everyone, 14, 18, 20, 24, 30, 32, right? And so on. Question says a simple mathematical operation in each number of a sequence results the given number to prime numbers, right? So 14 minus 1. 14 minus 1 is what? 13. And then 18 minus 1. 18 minus 1 is what? 17. 20 minus 1. 20 minus 1 is what? 19. 24 minus 1 is what? 23. 30 minus 1 is what? 29. And 32 minus 1 is what? 31. Right, everybody? So they are actually what? They are actually prime numbers, right? So, and they are consecutive prime numbers. Okay, everyone? So they are consecutive prime numbers, right? So next prime number will be what? Next prime number will be 37, right? So next prime number will be 37. So 37 is what? So here the number is coming like more than 37. So 37 is 38. So 38 minus 1 will be coming over here. So 38 minus 1 is 37. Right, everybody? Fine. So here the correct answer is 38. Fine. This is a very simple question, friends. If it is like getting clicked to you, you can solve this question in like around 3-4 seconds only. Fine. This question belongs to basic numeracy part. Right? This question belongs to basic numeracy. And yes, if it is getting clicked right, then you can solve this question in 4-5 seconds, I guess. If it is not getting clicked, then you can take a lot of time. Right. So ideally I should write 15 seconds to solve this question. So for this particular question, 15 seconds are sufficient, right? If it is not getting clicked in 15 seconds, you should leave this question and you should come to this question in the next round when you are done with like maximum questions and still you want to solve something. So you can come to this question in the next round. And if it is getting clicked in again next 4-5 seconds, then it is okay. If it is not getting clicked, then leave it again and again come to this question after some times. If it is getting clicked in next 4-5 seconds, then it is fine. Else leave it. I mean, don't give more than 4-5 seconds to this question all the time. Maximum 5 to 10 seconds. That's it. Not more than that. If it is getting clicked, then it is okay. If it is not getting clicked, then please leave it, right? Okay, now let's talk about the another one. Okay, fine. So friends, this part is over. Now we'll be discussing about the another 5 questions in the next part, right? Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.